most of the people, tractor owners and operators, don't know what causing axle seal to leak. As you can see, it's just the beginning, it's sweating, it started slowly to sip, and it's gonna be expensive repair, 8 hours to replace the seal if you let it go. Alright. As example, we have beautiful blue New Holland Ford 5610 tractor, but it doesn't really matter. What causing the leak is pressure building up inside the casing. Yes, pressure, heat builds up, it needs to get vented. Alright, let me remove the vent breather valve and show you. Here we go. This is a breather valve, and as you can see, it's completely clogged up. Around the housing, all the chuff and oil vapor. See that how solid packed is around the breather screen? That's why your axle has started leaking. Alright, here's a adapter where it connects to the housing. You can find it on any tractor. It might be over the axle or somewhere on the side. And that pressure, when gear oil gets hot, it will have to go somewhere. Well, much better. Now I blow it out with a compressed air, wash it with a brake clean, and blow it out again. Now it's spotless. Beautiful, it will breathe, and I will tell you, check it at least once a year. It will save you $1. Now I'm going to put it back on the tractor, and we'll keep this machine happy. You always can find your breather valve, look in the owner's manual, or go to Google and find the make and model and tractors forums to help. Alright, if you're not a subscriber, take a second to subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, that way you won't miss any videos. And if you have any comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. Yeah, if this video is helpful, informational, educational, or just interesting to watch, put a thumbs up. Okay, my breather valve is back in place, it will breathe freely, and that axle seal will stop leaking. Yeah, doesn't matter how new or old your tractor, always take care of your equipment, and your equipment will take care of you. Well, thanks again guys for watching this video. Take care everybody, and see you next one. Bye bye.